Asante Kotoko for apam. Kwame Poku has been sacked. Yana me say word no. Because he's been told to pack his things. Kwame Poku has left. Kwame Poku the old person on the show be the betria ni nyina nsa Kotoko for ezo mo ni nya dwuma bi. Na I always tell you say asem na ba busia. Ya ye ko behind the scenes. Ni akopɛ the reasons behind the reason. Ya compare the story, what happened. Nano de na ye de ni de amount. For those of us who tie yen e wa koma 87 FM on radio. Kwame Poku bayi. Ani Asante Kotoko. Meeting eye nipa mienu. Ana wonum ekohia Kwame Poku. Asante Kotoko. One coach Eric Tinkler and a director of football at the Asante Kotoko. Omumienu and a Kwame Poku bayi Asia A meeting.
Okay.
I wanted to go deep. I'm finding out. And some cramping for an able boss war. Now, dear Sema, what was the particular reason for the meeting? What actually happened? Na empanyi se ye pa ye behunu enti ene ye chekere boa.
Nice one.
Ya pa hunu. Akosane boa no.
Wow.
I'm surprised me jambo.
Richard do Pepe shall read the fella man.
The truth of the matter is say no ka say Kwame Poku packing in yoma afia Asante Kotoko. One residence a hofumisha he's no more there. No question me wo say and some bebrebe wa abonten. Na Kwame Poku only one of the 6 players are Kotoko any omu ewie no.
Okay.
Die nti Asante Kotoko mpanyin former Kwame Poku efiri ho no. Panyini bia ne omi chi na se obi na oka disciplinary matter.
Okay.
Nobody discussed anything associated with indiscipline. Coach no any Menzo. Almost sure take a decision based on the available players, based on the system and their tactics on ball, and based on sporting reasons. I know Anna one of editeki omo decision.
Okay.
Sada makano nipa miensa ene kushia ekoye meeting.
Yes.
Na ne tintini ni tiatia Kotoko coach and sporting director catch Kwame Poku say see almost 6 strikers. I want the pecking order so mu choose Kwame Poku na the 6.
Okay.
Eti bono on shada nya bi mo. In fact, coach ni asa on shada nya bi mo na sporting director nya bi mo. Because we a 6 choice striker. 5 edu anim. Eti unya minutes ball so de ono baby o free bar as sporting director. What's another as esua ball nim ball no. Kwame Poku anya young player say tra bench na first study ade.
Okay.
Or matured. Enti Kwame no omo ka che na abie option de ama no. Sa Kwame nwene ho omo mom de omo take omo decision say omo pese okro. But ono nwene ho so club bi o ha. Ana wana mumputo bi opese otu a omo masonte. Kwame Poku expressed his disagreement with them on their decision. Catch up so them ono mo nya adwene. Players no no. Obi amro no so obi anche no. The performance asem ne boy be bo asem a ono mo nya adwene.
Nice one.
The coach insisted say ayo no coach ne call. Not all call. We are seeing now bet magaza kwedi mbo pa coach ne say onyawa onyawo.
Yes.
And so sana meeting ekowie.
Nice one.
Matibi say na Kwame Poku ge ko Fred Hamza ko di na tem no Fred ko panyi bi no di na tem no bono dia fo so nti there be. Sasa decision we no. Mo amutia Kumasi Sports. Mo amu ye Pepe Suarez channel no YouTube na so de. Mo ya aware that say me ka kire o say Kwame Poku me bo Isaac Minta me bob abranche reference Anderson Timanu Pepe me babo Walid Fuseni Emmanuel Entry
Yes.
abranche the thing at the Elvis Chamber for Awuchi babo din na mamada that say those players recommendation also mbeko na emom coach ne director of football say yan hwe mo na wotwe mienu na wotwe miensa bi ne amfa take decision final decision on them.
Nice one.
Sanya sade a say I am sitting a stay up Japan on the no money on dada enka Kwame Poku mo report to training kra.
Yeah.
But Stanley and Eric Tinkler wanted to be fair to these players and a more farm opportunity. None but catch us a coach na catcher one ben is a quality no. Onya impressed.
Yes.
Quality na our form
87.9
of Felicia so mu pejam on a place na kasa individually. Ebia shall say pejam mo made monum but coach ne charge the general quality at Asante Kotoko. Our form. Enti Kwame Poku story na Japan e no kure trodo.
Nice one.
Dear a fra one there. Official meeting dey see na maka kire wi.
Fantastic.
I'm the so reactive pal.
Two no more quick. The pass on so a big one. Yeah,
Me who pay but no was I know I know you Ovi.